Now we can answer for a few simple questions using fraction. Now see this question: a vehicle that travels at a constant speed journeys 3/4 kilometers in a minute. How far does it travel in 8 minutes? Now the future topics I'll be explaining in detail, because here the unit value is very powerful. You need to understand very well. Even when we are calculating discount, a profit, lost, a bought price, sold price, likewise for everything, if you can understand the unit value properly, you can handle many questions effortlessly, right? So here you see the question, it is asking in 8 minutes, right? We have to catch it from here, in 8 minutes. So that means if you know the value for 1 minute, right, you can calculate for 8 minutes or half a minute, whether the lesser number or the higher number, you need the unit value. So they are asking for 8 minutes, then we have to read it and see whether the 1 minute value can be obtained from this statement. A vehicle that travels at a constant speed journeys 3/4 kilometers in a minute. Right here, minute is there. Minute this much, then 8 minutes. So if you know the value for 1, you can find out for any number. So you multiply this by 8. So I no need to simplify, it's a very simple thing. 3/4 multiplied by 8 means underneath you get 1. So 1/8. 12 divided by 4. Answer will be 3 kilometers. Right? Correct? See again, this multiplied by 8. No, multiplied by 8 means 1/8. So 8 into 3 is not 12, 24. 24 divided by 4. 6. 8 minutes, vehicle will travel 6 kilometers. And same here, a machine produces 600 plastic cups in an hour. How many cups does it produce in 2/3 hours, right? So that means they are asking for 2 hours, 3 hours. So if you know the value for 1 hour, you can find this. So read it again and see. A machine produces 600 plastic cups in an hour, in 1 hour. Right, then okay, the 1 hour is known, then easily you can find 2/3. So multiplied by 2/3, right? 600 multiplied by 2/3. Why? 1 hour it produces 600, you need to find for 2/3. So if you know the 1, then you can multiply it by any required number. So here the required number is 2/3 hour. So when you are multiplying 600 multiplied by 2/3, you know 600 mean always 1/600, right? Below, underneath you can just write 1. So then upper side will be 600 and here this 2, then 600 multiplied by 2. The downside, underneath here you get 1, so here underneath you get 3, then 1 into 3. So you can simplify this. You can multiply these two together and write here, and then multiply these two together and put here, then you simplify. Otherwise here itself you can simplify without multiplying these two. You can see first of all whether the simplification is possible. Only we need to consider the upper side number and the down. Now here we get 2, right? Now we need to see whether the 2 is divisible by any common number, and you should be able to divide these numbers for whatever the number you use here. That means the 3 is not divisible by 2 and 1 is not divisible by 2. So you can't consider 2 2 here with this number to simplify. Then we consider 600. So 600 here, as you see here 6, so this is divisible by 3. So then this simplification is possible. Whenever possible, you do the simplification and get the answer. It will be very easy. So here 600 divided by 3, this becomes 200, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2, then 2 zeros here, then 200. Then 200 into 2, 400. So here nothing, here you get 1, right? 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 600 is 200. So here you get 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 over 400. So obviously it is clear, right? For 1 hour 600 mean 2/3 hour mean less than 1 hour, so can produce 400 cups. Now here is a fraction, this is a mixed number. Now we know how to write mixed number in improper fraction, right? Very simple. You multiply these two together and add this here. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 over 4. Then 2/3 multiplied by 5 over 4. So here once we consider upside and the downside numbers, these two are divisible. Here 2 and 4. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here then you get 3, here you get 2. So downside you can multiply 3 into 2, 6. Upper you get here 1, 1 into 5, 5. So this will be the final answer. Then here you need to write this first of all in improper fraction. So 5 into 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, we are dividing by 5, so 8 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 4. So once you consider the upper and the downside numbers, obviously you can see here 8 is divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So here you get 2 and here you get 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Then down you get 5. So here 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. 6 over 5. This is in improper format. So you can write it in a mixed number. So here 6 over 5, 6 divided by 5. How many 5s are there for 6? Only 1. Then if 5 goes from here, only 1 remaining. So 1 over 5. Right? So likewise you need to understand. Actually very first time you need to spend more time to understand the theory. Right? Not covering sums. Right? So I can give 100 odd, okay, the sums, and you write it and practice, right? So that is not the way, right? We need to understand the theory and we should be able to apply it. Then whatever the complex simplification you get, so easily you can manage. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.